Cam Royal. Hey, this beat goes hard. You know, it's business as usual with me, man. And if you don't know that by now, you better figure it out. Cause I ain't going nowhere. Hey, these keys are building up to something. I don't really know what though. I think I'm about to just come with it. Yo. It's easier to be forgiven than to ask for permission. So I say motherfucking system. They say your first time spitting, it's impossible to make a difference. But with the gifts that I'm given, mixed in with how I stay behind my bars like a prison, I'ma rewrite the description, Photoshop the image. You're only given one life, so I live it. My mama argues every time that I visit. She says I changed, but I never said I didn't. It brings her pain cause she knows how I'm sinning. And every dollar that I make, how I spend it.
You have interfered with our affairs for the last time.
Generally in the air right now, wrapping up a store. This first class, I am so new at this. Used to ride a metro, let us hit us retro. Like the infrareds on my baby, let's go. Sinatra what they know me by, logic what they call me. Gotta catch a flight, but the fans wanna stall me. Life of a dawn, change just glowing. Always in the lab with the fresh kicks on. I'm at the MCM, rockin' MCM. Bobby Sacks on my arm, it's only 10 p.m. Not a rat pack with me going ham at the hotel. Name brand, everything from the wholesale. No, I am not materialistic. I was broke my whole life, then no, I don't miss it. Last 7 years of my life was in the lab, working every day, giving it everything I had. Now that a brother is finally recognized, I will not let the limelight hypnotize. Everybody be sure, I'ma always want more. Does anybody make real shit anymore?